If Shaun has one carrot, carrot rare, carrot valuable. But if Shaun grows more carrots, carrot become common, carrot not as valuable. Demand, pull, inflation. If other sheep demand more carrot, but carrot farmer makes same amount, carrot price go up because carrot more rare. Cost push inflation. If carrot demand is the same, but carrot farmer have less carrot to sell, carrot price go up because carrot become more rare. Production cost inflation. Shaun buys carrot. Shaun eats carrot. Life is good. Shaun happy. Shaun smile. Shaun tells other sheep about carrot store. Other sheep go. Other sheep buy carrot. Sheep buy all the carrots. Now carrot farmer must plant more carrot plants. But carrot seed become expensive, cost high. So carrot farmer raise price of carrot to cover cost. Monetary inflation. If carrot demand same and carrot supply same, but Shaun has more dollars than usual, carrot price go up because dollars not worth as much as before. Hyperinflation. Carrot price go up. So Shaun's government decides to print more dollars so Shaun can afford carrot. Shaun buys more carrot, but carrot price go up again to match demand. So government prints more dollars. Price go up again. This is getting ridiculous. Eventually, Shaun's government burns all the dollars and starts making coins, a new currency. Inflation not always bad. Inflation is not necessarily bad for Shaun. If Shaun's dollars go up and carrot price go up, Shaun okay. Shaun balanced. If Shaun's dollars go up but carrot price same, Shaun rich. Shaun happy. If Shaun's dollars stay same but carrot price go up, Shaun poor. Shaun sad. Shaun is all of us. To avoid inflation, Shaun should invest in carrot. Carrot grow with time. Sometimes inflation can get really crazy. Please subscribe.